Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is, here you can see, this is a Candy brand the condensation dryer. This dryer actually the customer complaint is not getting heat. The machine is okay, actually perfect. What I'm going to show you, this machine actually it is no, it is always, it should be, everybody know, it should be internally ventilation, that means it's air circulation. If it is not air circulation, it's not getting dry. This is the complaint this machine. Now I already checked by myself this machine. It is internally they load. It is a very huge, big humble. Machine is running well, also getting warm, heat. It's no any effect, but the problem customer misusing. Now I will show you what is the problem actually exactly. Now we will go to the next step. Now I'm going to explain to you. It is actually not the big technology. No need to explain to this one more and more, because this everybody is understand how to use the dryer machine. If it is whether if it is tumble dryer or ventilation dryer, otherwise it's a heat pump. Any dryer, it should be it is electric or gas, any dry machine. This is the normal the circulation. This is drum. Here condenser box. Condenser actually it is here this side is always circulation cool air. Here back of the machine having heater. Here blower. Now this is the cycle actually. This is drum, inside the drum having fabrics. It should be circulate, otherwise your dryer, if it is working well but your fabrics are not getting dry, because it should be air circulation through the drum and blower part. Here now I will show you the another picture also here. Now while you watching this picture, you can understand here this is the circulation air. This one pumping hot air to the drum, you can see here, and sucking cool air through the condenser. This is the way actually your dryer, tumble dryer or heat pump, otherwise ventilation dryer, all working like that. The actually it is the difference here. This is I'm showing this candy machine is it is condensation dryer. Because of that here this picture I took it. This one here condenser, water heater, everything. Now if it is you loading full of fabric inside the drum, your dryer not getting heat because air circulation is not doing properly, it's not working properly. Because of that, all the hot air will come here, but from here to there not absorbing, otherwise not sucking cool air, because inside full of drum fabric. While you selecting for example 1 hour, machine will get stopped automatically end of the cycle after 1 hour, but fabric as same before, it is like warming only but not getting heat. This is the topic today. Now I will go to the next step. See here, this one is very big cumble they fix here, but this dryer, this cumble they are not able to take, because this is very big cumble here. You can see this one very big one. See, it's not getting dry actually while you fixing like that here. You cannot get this much big cumble. We are not able to dry with this machine. This is actually should be the commercial dryer. That much very big cumble we are not able to dry from this machine. See, they are using like that. Now what do you think about the dry machine? Uh, Now you know what is the problem with this dry machine. It is actually not any problem with the dryer. This is customer misusing only before. So I told you. Now I have to explain to the customer. I have to give demonstration. But this one machine is okay. No any problem. Problem with the customer misusing. This is the complaint actually. I'm telling don't use like this because if you are using like that, machine will get damaged also. But you are not getting any benefits from this machine. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.